Imagine your home responding to your voice, saving your time, and even thinking ahead for you. Sounds futuristic, right? But the future is already here. Today, I'm going to show you the smartest, most affordable Amazon gadgets that will completely transform how you live at home. Pet Air Purifier. If you live with pets, then you live with pet hair and odors. But what if one device could clear the air, literally? Meet the Diala KJ02 Pet Air Purifier. Designed for homes up to 3,000 square feet, it refreshes your entire space every hour. Its 5-stage purification system captures everything from floating fur to tough litter box smells, even smoke and allergens. And unlike basic purifiers, it's got a pet-friendly design, with a chew-resistant cord, child lock, and even a built-in pet seat. The smart display tracks real-time air quality. And sleep mode? Whisper quiet. Bonus: it saves you 50% on filter costs with a long-lasting electrostatic pre-filter. So if you're ready to breathe cleaner, sleep better, and say goodbye to pet funk, this is your sign. Home Security Camera. Want to know what your pet or baby is up to when you're not home? Meet the Casa Smart Pan Tilt Camera, your 24/7 home eyes with 360-degree rotation, motion tracking, and instant alerts. It's got 1080p HD video, night vision up to 30 feet, and even a baby cry detector. And yes, you can talk to your pet or family right through the camera with two-way audio. Setup is easy. Storage. Use a microSD card or go cloud with Casa Care. With full support for Alexa and Google Home, you can stream footage directly to your Echo Show or Smart TV. So whether you're working late, traveling, or just want to spy on your dog's secret life, this little camera has your back. Tap the link to bring smart peace of mind into your home. Casa Smart Plug. Tired of running around switching off lights or wondering if you left something on? With the Casa Smart Plug HS103, you can control any outlet from your phone or just your voice. It works with Alexa, Google Assistant, and IFT. So whether you're home, at the office, or traveling, your devices are always under control. Use the Casa app to schedule lamps, fans, or even your coffee maker. Want lights on at 7 p.m.? Done. Want your humidifier to turn off at midnight? Easy. It's compact, UL certified for safety, and needs no hub, just plug, connect, and go. And you get 4 smart plugs in the pack, meaning your home just got 4 times smarter. Smart living starts simple. Amazon Echo Auto. What if your car could talk back? Meet the Amazon Echo Auto, the newest way to bring Alexa into your ride. With 5 built-in mics, Alexa hears you loud and clear, over music, traffic, and even your AC. Want to stream music from Spotify, Amazon, or Apple Music? Just ask. Need to send a message or call someone hands-free? Done. It even keeps your road trip smarter, picks up your podcast where you left off, or controls your home while you're still driving. Ask Alexa to turn off your lights, lock the door, or adjust the thermostat before you even get home. And yes, it's private. Mic off button included. Plus, it comes with a fast charger, so your phone's always ready too. This isn't just an accessory, it's your car's upgrade. Levoit Air Purifiers. Can your air purifier help you sleep and make your room smell amazing? The Levoit Core Mini P does both. It's a compact powerhouse with a 3-in-1 filter system that traps dust, pet dander, smoke, and odors. Whether you're battling allergies or just tired of lingering smells, this little device makes breathing feel like a fresh start. Bonus: it has a fragrance sponge, so add a drop of your favorite essential oil and turn your space into a mini spa. Perfect for bedrooms, offices, or kitchens, it's ultra-quiet, stylish, and easy to use. And with over 6.5 million units sold, Levoit is a trusted name in clean air. So if you're ready to sleep better, breathe easier, and enjoy your space again, check out the Core Mini P. Links are in the description. Go breathe easy. Ear wax removal. Still using cotton swabs? You might be doing more harm than good. The ear wax removal tool camera lets you see exactly what's going on inside your ear, in 1296p HD. With 6 adjustable LED lights and a 360 degrees view, this otoscope reveals every detail. It connects to your phone via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, and shows real-time footage on a smart app, so you can clean with total confidence. It comes with 12 soft tips, a waterproof lens, and even doubles as a tool for checking your teeth, skin, or nose. Lightweight, rechargeable, and backed by 24-hour customer support, it's smart, safe, and super satisfying. If you're ready to clean your ears the right way. Strip Surge Protector. Too many devices, not enough outlets? The Tower Power Strip is here to solve that. With 16 AC sockets, 3 USB-A, and 2 USB-C ports, you can charge 21 devices simultaneously. Built vertically, this charging station saves space and declutters your desk, dorm, or office setup. It delivers 1875 watts of power and has built-in overload, short circuit, and lightning protection to keep your gear safe. Plus, the 6-foot extension cord gives you flexibility, and the compact design keeps your space organized. Whether you're a gamer, student, or remote worker, this is the power upgrade you need. Hit the link in the description and take control of your power today. Toothbrush Holders. Here's a wild fact. Your toothbrush might be home to millions of bacteria. The I Have Toothbrush Holder changes that, with built-in UVC and UVA light, it kills 99.99% of germs automatically. Just hang it on the wall, slide your toothbrush in, and it does the rest. It holds 6 brushes, dispenses toothpaste, and includes 3 modern-looking rinse cups, perfect for the whole family. The smart sensor activates disinfection, and a soft blue breathing light tells you it's working. No drilling needed. Stick it to tile, wood, mirror, or marble. It's compact, easy to clean, and makes your bathroom look like a luxury spa. So if you care about hygiene and want a bathroom upgrade, grab the I Have Toothbrush Sanitizer. Links are in the description. Indoor Security Camera. Need eyes on your home 24/7, even when you're not there. The Lidicam 2K Indoor Security Camera gives you crystal clear 2K video, 360 degrees rotation, and smart motion tracking, so you never miss a thing. Whether it's your baby's crib, your pet's chaos, or home security, this camera sends instant alerts straight to your phone. And with two-way audio, you can say hi or say stop that from anywhere. It even switches to night vision automatically, with clear view up to 33 feet in the dark. Save your recordings to the cloud or a micro SD card, and easily share access with family using the Little Elf app. Want full coverage, peace of mind, and smart control, all in one camera? Tap the link in the description and try the Lidicam 2K Indoor Cam today. Rake Key Finder. Tired of losing your keys, wallet, or phone? The Rake Key Finder puts an end to the panic with just one button. No apps or phones needed. Press the color-coded button on the remote, and your lost item beeps loudly and flashes a light, even in the dark. Comes with 4 receivers to track keys, remotes, pets, or anything else you lose often. With a long 131-foot range, it works through walls and furniture. Plus, premium batteries are included for longer-lasting power. Simple, reliable, and perfect for everyone, especially seniors or forgetful friends. Stop searching and start finding. BitVi Toothbrush Cleaner. Your toothbrush touches your mouth twice a day, but is it actually clean? The BitVi Toothbrush Cleaner keeps it that way by automatically cleaning and air drying your toothbrush every single day. It fits 2 brushes, manual, sonic, or rotary, and mounts easily to any wall or mirror. The LED smart screen shows battery life, cleaning progress, and drying status, so you're always in control. It charges fast with Type-C, lasts 30 days, and helps eliminate the nasty bacteria that love damp brushes. No more soggy, germ-filled toothbrushes on the sink. Want a cleaner mouth and a cleaner setup? Click the link in the description and try the BitVi Toothbrush Cleaner today. Bluetooth Label Maker Machine. Tired of messy handwriting, faded stickers, or those bulky old label makers? Meet the Subvan T50M Pro, a smart Bluetooth label printer that creates crisp, waterproof labels up to 2 inches wide, all from your phone. Whether you're organizing the kitchen, labeling school folders, or branding products, it's fast, easy, and totally customizable. The free app gives you 40+ fonts, 450 icons, QR code support, and even lets you add your own images. No ink, no toner, just clean, professional labels with a tap. It auto-detects label size and works with square, round, and cable labels, so everything fits perfectly. Want your home or business to look instantly more organized? Tap the link in the description and get your Subvan T50M Pro today. Toothbrush holders. Messy bathroom counters. Toothbrushes everywhere. Meet the I Have Toothbrush Holder, a sleek wall-mounted organizer with massive storage and a built-in toothpaste dispenser. It holds 6 toothbrushes, 2 magnetic rinse cups, your grooming tools, skincare, and even has a drawer for extras. No drills needed, just stick it on the wall, and it stays put, even in humid bathrooms. Cups drain upside down to stay dry, and the toothpaste dispenser helps prevent waste. Plus, it keeps your entire counter clutter-free and your brushes dry and hygienic. Ready to upgrade your bathroom game? Tap the link in the description and grab the I Have Toothbrush Holder today. Self-cleaning dustpan set. Tired of bending over every time you sweep? The Calamai Upgrade Broom and Dustpan set lets you clean without the backache, thanks to a height-adjustable pole that extends to over 50 inches. Its 4-row bristle design grabs dust, dirt, and crumbs effortlessly on hardwood, tile, or concrete. Hair stuck in your broom? No problem. The built-in dustpan teeth clean it in one pull. It's made with 20% recycled materials, stores upright to save space, and the durable build lasts way longer than cheap dollar store brooms. Want cleaning to feel effortless? Tap the link in the description and try the Calamai Broom set today. Mini Projector. Want to turn your wall into a 200-inch movie screen? The Oking 2025 Mini Projector delivers full HD 1080p visuals in a compact, portable design. It's bright, sharp, and features upgraded color tech for vibrant, lifelike images. You'll get crisp sound with built-in stereo speakers, and the whisper-quiet fan won't ruin your vibe. Plug in your phone, laptop, USB, or TV stick. Yes, it works with all of them. And with a 55,000-hour lamp life, this projector's in it for the long haul. It's everything you need for movie night, indoors or out. Ready for big screen fun on a small screen budget? Tap the link in the description and grab the Oking projector today. Smart Door Knob Fingerprint. Still using keys for your door? The G-Home Smart Door Knob gives you 4 keyless ways to unlock: fingerprint, app, keypad, or backup key. It recognizes your fingerprint in 0.1 seconds and stores up to 20 prints and 20 access codes, perfect for roommates or family. With the G-Home app, you can control autolock, check who unlocked the door, or set it to privacy mode. Plus, it's powered by a rechargeable battery that lasts over 300 days, and all your data stays local for extra security. Whether for your bedroom, office, or garage, this smart knob makes life easier and more secure. Pet hair remover. Got pets? Then you've got pet hair. The ComCom Roller is your no-mess, no-waste solution to removing fur from furniture, clothes, carpets, and more. Unlike sticky rollers that waste sheets or vacuums that miss spots, this tool picks up every strand, fast. Just roll it back and forth, and the built-in chamber collects all the hair. When it's full, press the button, dump the fur, and it's ready to go again. No tape, no batteries, just results. It works on couches, car seats, blankets, you name it. And it's 100% reusable. Want a cleaner, fur-free home? Grab the ComCom Roller, your ultimate pet hair removal weapon. So if you're tired of pet hair taking over your life and your furniture, the ComCom Roller is honestly a total game changer. No batteries, no refills, no mess. Just roll, empty, and repeat. It's reusable, it actually works, and it's surprisingly fun to use. I don't know how I lived without it. If you want to check it out, I've dropped the link below. Trust me, your couch, your clothes, and your sanity will thank you. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and hit subscribe for more no BS reviews just like this one. See you in the next one.